Welcome back, student. Now we have already seen alkane, alkene, alkyne, and from today these are the base of hydrocarbon, base of organic chemistry, and from today we are going to discussing new classes of organic compound. Okay, so now in continuation with this, first that is actually fourth class of organic compound, means next class of organic compound, that is halogen derivative of alkane. Okay, halogen derivative of alkane, or we can say alkyl halide. Okay, and there are various nomenclature. Now halogen derivative of alkene. What is the meaning of halogen derivative of alkene? See, first suppose take, what is the halogen means again, what is halogen, meaning of halogen? Halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These element in periodic table, these element are present, and these group element are known as halogens. Halogen includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene. Okay, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene. These elements collectively known as halogens. Collectively known as halogens, and in general these elements are denoted by capital X. Capital X. So in organic chemistry, what is the meaning of capital X? Capital X nothing but halogens. Halogens means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. Okay, so these elements are collectively known as commonly known as halogens, and they are represented by common symbol capital X. Capital X. And whenever you are writing capital X means halogens. Means halogens. All halogens are monovalent. Their valencies are single, so that's why one free valency. Okay, so these are known as halogens. Now halogen derivative of alkane. What is the meaning of halogen derivative of alkane? See, for alkane we know alkane are same thing, saturated, aliphatic, hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon single bond and having general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, some example: methane, okay, ethane, and etc. so on. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, etc. These are the example of alkane family. Okay, having general formula CnH2n plus 2. Now we want to understand the term halogen derivative of alkane. What is the meaning of halogen derivative of alkane? See, first, just for example, consider methane. Consider methane. Methane or ethane. Just for methane is the simplest example of alkane. Now, from this methane, if we replace one of the hydrogen atom, one or more initially one hydrogen by halogen atom, any halogen, where what is X? X stand for either chlorine, either bromine, iodine, fluorine, etc. Okay, single one hydrogen atom replaced by halogen atom, any halogen atom, then what we get? X. Okay, means CH3X. Here CH4 methane, and here this new compound obtained. This new compound here, how we got this compound? We have obtained this compound from methane. Methane means alkane. Methane by replacing one hydrogen atom by one halogen atom. One halogen atom. Okay, so this is the derivative of methane. and this is called halogen because X is halogen. Halogen derivative of methane, alkane, alkane. Okay, again just particular again we can replace one more hydrogen by same or different halogen atom, then we get this compound obtained. So CH2X2, again we can replace one more hydrogen by same or different halogen atom, then CHX3, again we can replace one more hydrogen by X, CX4. All these four halogen atom may be same or may not be same. Okay, so all these new compound here, this one, this one, this one and this one, all these compound are obtained from alkane, methane, in this particular example methane. So all these new compounds CH3X, CH2X2, CHX3, CX4, all these new compound have been obtained from this methane by replacing one or two or three or four hydrogen atom by same number of halogen atom. This is called, this resulting compound are known as halogen derivative of alkane. This resulting compound, this resulting compound are known as halogen derivative of alkane because this new compound obtained from alkane by replacing hydrogen atom by halogen atom. So this is the simplest definition of halogen derivative of alkane. For example, again I will try to explain. Take alkane, general, CnH2n2, replace one hydrogen by one chlorine or bromine or iodine, then what we get? For take particular example, ethane, take ethane, C2, 6, replace one hydrogen by chlorine, then C2H5Cl, right? Cl will be there, Cl, again replace one more hydrogen by bromine, C2H4Cl Br, again replace one hydrogen by iodine, C2H3Cl Bri. Okay, so I mean to say this compound is obtained from ethane by replacing one hydrogen by chlorine. This compound is obtained from this or this by replacing one hydrogen by bromine. This compound obtained from this by replacing one hydrogen by iodine. So all these three compound obtained from ethane, actually obtained from ethane by replacing one hydrogen by chlorine, second hydrogen by bromine, third hydrogen by iodine. Okay, so all these compound are considered as derivative of alkane because halogen derivative of alkane, because all these new compound obtained from alkane by replacing one or more hydrogen atom by same number of same or different halogen atom. So this compound, this is the simple definition of halogen derivative of alkane. Okay. For example, so what is halogen derivative of alkane? Halogen derivative of alkane are derived from alkane, are obtained from alkane by replacing one or more hydrogen atom by same number of same or different halogen atom. That is called halogen derivative of alkane. For example, methane, if we replace one hydrogen by bromine, then we get this type of compound obtained, bromine. Take, or I will write like this, CH4 If we replace one hydrogen by chlorine, then we will have CH3Cl. If we replace one hydrogen by bromine, then if we replace one hydrogen by iodine, and so on. See, all these three compound, 1, 2, 3, all this compound is a derivative of methane, because we have obtained this from methane by replacing one hydrogen by chlorine. This compound is also derivative of methane by obtained by replacing one hydrogen by bromine. This compound is also derivative of methane obtained by replacing one hydrogen by iodine. So all these compounds are obtained from methane by replacing one hydrogen atom by halogen atom. Okay, so these are the halogen derivative of alkane. These are halogen derivative of alkane. Similarly, we can replace one more hydrogen, second hydrogen also from this, third hydrogen, fourth hydrogen. Okay, so different compound obtained, that all are known as halogen derivative of alkane. So what is the meaning of halogen derivative of alkane? Halogen derivative of alkane are the class of organic compound which is obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom, from alkane by one or more halogen atom, same or different halogen atom. That is called halogen derivative of alkane. Okay. One more example. Take example ethane. We know ethane, CH3 bond CH3. Suppose if we replace one hydrogen by bromine. See, in ethane all hydrogen atom are same, CH3. So we can replace any one of them. So we get CH3 Br. Okay, that is called, its name is ethyl bromide. We will discuss later. Again replace one hydrogen by bromine. What we get? Now see, now we have to replace hydrogen by bromine, but here in this example ethane, all hydrogen atom was identical, all the 6 hydrogen atom were identical. That's why we have replaced any one of them. Either we can replace this, any one from 6. But now in this case these 2 carbon atom are not identical. Are they identical, symmetrical? No. This carbon attached to 3 carbon and 1 hydrogen. This carbon attached to 3 hydrogen atom and 1 carbon atom. But what about this carbon? This carbon attached to 2 hydrogen, 1 bromine and 1 carbon. So that's why these 2 hydrogen atom are not identical. Just observe the structure. These 2 carbon atom are not identical. Not identical means their hydrogen, means these 3 hydrogen from this carbon and these 2 hydrogen from this carbon are not identical. So now here we are replacing one hydrogen by bromine. Now we are having 2 chances, 2 possibilities. Either we can replace one of the hydrogen from these 3 or one of the hydrogen atom from these 2 carbon. So in here we are getting 2 different compound. If we replace hydrogen from this carbon, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, for example, if we replace hydrogen from carbon number 2, then we get this. Or if we replace hydrogen from carbon number 1, then this. So 2 different compound obtained, and so on. Again if we replace one more hydrogen by bromine, then different compound obtained. So all these new compound which are obtained or derived from ethane by replacing hydrogen atom by same number of same or different halogen atom. So all these new compound are known as halogen derivative of alkane. Halogen derivative of alkane. Okay, getting my point? So this is the simple definition of halogen derivative of alkane. So halogen derivative of alkane are the class of organic compound which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atom from alkane by same or different same number of halogen atom. Okay, so that resulting compound are known as halogen derivative of alkane. Okay, now so these halogen derivative of alkane are classified into various types. See, halogen derivative of alkane. Alkane are classified into various types. One is monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative of alkane, and polyhalogen. Polyhalogen derivative of alkane. Monohalogen and polyhalogen. Mono means what? Mono means single. Those halogen derivative of alkane which are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom. How many hydrogen we are going to replacing? One hydrogen atom by one halogen atom, then the resulting compound are known as monohalogen derivative of alkane. Mono. How many hydrogen we have to replace from alkane? One hydrogen by one halogen atom, then resulting new compound obtained, that is known as monohalogen derivative of alkane. Come to this polyhalogen derivative of alkane. Poly means more than one. Poly means more than one. If we are going to replace 2 or 3 or 4 and so on, more than one. If we are going to replacing more than one hydrogen atom from alkane by same number of same or different halogen atom, then the resulting compound are known as polyhalogen derivative of alkane. Polyhalogen. Okay, let us see monohalogen derivative. What is monohalogen derivative? Remember, halogen derivative of alkane are broadly classified into two categories: monohalogen derivative and polyhalogen derivative of alkane. Now first, monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative. Okay. What is monohalogen derivative? Mono means one, halogen means one, means chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. So now how monohalogen derivative obtained? Take alkane. From this alkane, replace one hydrogen by one halogen atom. Then whatever compound obtained here, that is known as monohalogen derivatives of alkane. Okay. So alkane means CnH2n plus 2, replace one hydrogen. See, if we replace one hydrogen atom from alkane, what we are getting? I think we have taken this class, we already explained. If we remove one hydrogen atom or detach one hydrogen atom from alkane, the remaining part is obtained, that is known as alkyl group. Alkyl group, it is denoted by capital R, bond capital R. I already explained this. Okay, so try to understand what is alkyl group, methyl group, ethyl group, N-propyl group, isopropyl group, okay, and so on. So these are very important. Now what we are doing here, we are taking alkane, and from this alkane we are removing one hydrogen atom. Removing one hydrogen means we are detaching hydrogen. Then what is remaining? Then remaining part obtained is alkyl group. Here alkyl group means CnH2n plus 1, here plus 2, and after removing one hydrogen plus 1, and then we are attaching halogen atom, and then we are getting this plus 1x, CnH2n H2n plus 1 capital X. This is called monohalogen derivative of alkane, monohalogen derivative of alkane. Okay, so for example, take methane, CH4, remove one hydrogen, then what we are getting? CH3, बरोबर है, CH3, and then attach any halogen atom, for example Cl, CH3, Cl. Okay, so this is called, so methane. After removing one hydrogen, we are getting methyl group, and after attaching chlorine, we are getting this, and name of the compound, common name is methyl chloride. So remember, common name of this monohalogen derivative is alkyl halide. We have to name alkyl group followed by word halide. Halide means if chlorine, chloride, bromine, bromide, iodine, iodide, fluorine, fluoride, like this. Okay, so name of the alkyl, write name of the alkyl group first followed by word halide. That will be the common name of monohalogen derivative of alkane. Okay, so just like methane, methyl group, methyl chloride. Ethane, take ethane. From this ethane, remove hydrogen, then we are getting this CH3 CH2 bond, free bond. Because why this bond is free? Now we have taken out hydrogen, one of the hydrogen, that's why. So it is ethane. After removing hydrogen, here ethyl, and attaching bromine, for example bromine, chlorine, iodine, whatever, CH3 CH2 Br, that is ethyl bromide. They are common name, ethyl bromide. If we take propane, remove hydrogen. Now in case of ethane, these two carbon atom was identical, that's why there is no problem to remove hydrogen atom from any one of the carbon. But in case of propane, there are two types of carbon. These two terminal carbon are of one type and middle carbon of second type. So to remove hydrogen, now we are having two possibilities. Either we can remove hydrogen from terminal carbon atom, then we are getting N-propyl group, like this, N-propyl group. This is, if we remove hydrogen from terminal carbon atom, then we are getting N-propyl group. And if we attach iodine, then CH3 CH2 CH2I. Okay, because here this bond is free. Now iodine going to attach here and you will get this CH3 CH2 CH2I. The name, common name is N-propyl iodide, N-propyl iodide. And now if we remove hydrogen from middle carbon, then like this, and if we attach iodine, CH3 CHI CH3, then the name of the compound, this is isopropyl group, isopropyl group, and this is isopropyl iodide, isopropyl iodide. Okay, take butane. If we start with butane, CH3, N-butane, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. In N-butane there are two types of carbon. This is N-butane, 1 2 3 4, carbon number 1 and carbon number 4 are identical. Therefore we can remove hydrogen from carbon number 1 or 4. Same thing, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2, N-butyl group obtained. The group obtained is N-butyl group. And if we remove hydrogen from 2 or 3 carbon, because 2 and 3 carbon are same, so there is same thing to remove hydrogen from 2 or 3. What we get? CH3 CH CH2 CH3. Then attach fluorine, then what we get? CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2F, that is known as N-butyl fluoride, N-butyl fluoride. And if we attach here CH, that is secondary butyl, it is not a isobutyl, it is secondary butyl. So secondary butyl fluoride, like this. Okay, so these are the compound are known as monohalogen derivative of alkane, because all these compound obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from alkane by one halogen atom. Okay, from methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, and we will have variety of monohalogen derivative. Okay, so student, in next class we will extend this topic again. Thank you very much.